Hey everyone, today I will show you how to download Telegram in your mobile phone. So open the Play Store app, then search the Telegram app, then download now and open the Telegram app. Then click on the start message. Then enter your phone number and choose your country. Choose your country and enter your mobile number and click on the right option and select continue and allow the permission and verify your phone number. Like just wait second. And your verification process is complete and your Telegram is successfully account created. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.